Designing wearables and sensors with irregular casings? Traditional rigid PCBs making devices bulkier? Don't compromise. Flexible printed circuits (FPC) are the breakthrough solution. What is FPC? Not just soft PCB. It uses high-temperature resistant polyimide film as the substrate, with copper traces overlaid, enabling bending, folding, and twisting. Think of it like a tile mat. Rigid PCB vs. a rubber mat. FPC shapes adapt freely while maintaining uninterrupted connections. 2 FPC's 4 core advantages. Conquering 3D space. Wind-through products. Hug batteries, wrapped around structures saving 30% plus volume over multiple rigid boards. Adapting to dynamic motion, withstands hundreds of thousands of bends. Serving as the hidden heart in flip phones and laptop hinges. Ultra-thin and lightweight. Polyimide's exceptional lightness replaces rigid boards plus connectors, delivering significant weight and size reduction. Enhanced reliability, reduces connector failure points, ensuring stability in harsh environments. 3. Design and manufacturing essentials. Design must follow rules. Bending radius 6 to 10 times circuit thickness, reinforcing component zones with ribs, preventing stress in transition areas. Manufacturing requires specialized processes, securing FPC with custom fixtures, adapting to low soldering temperature zones, dedicated SMT lines ensuring yield rates. 4. Applications everywhere. Consumer electronics, phones or wearables, automotive dashboards or seat controls, medical hearing aids or endoscopes, industrial or aerospace robots or satellites, all are its domains. Want smaller, more flexible, and reliable products? Choose FPC, choose KBauer. Unlock new design possibilities.